Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're taking a quick look at 20 new woodworking tools that push creativity and precision to a whole new level, giving you fresh ways to work smarter and build better. This is the In-Dexable combination square from Woodpecker's Tools. It offers laser-cut scribing guides for fast, accurate parallel marking, a spring-loaded index pin for easy positioning, and a retractable head support for stable use. The 12-inch blade features precision laser-engraved scales in a durable satin finish. The 14-inch bandsaw delivers stable, accurate cutting with its cast iron frame and precision ground table. It includes an extruded aluminum fence, miter gauge, and guided bearing system for controlled, precise cuts. A 4-inch dust port supports effective dust collection, and the 13.5-inch throat with up to 12 inches of cutting height offers generous capacity. The one-handed reciprocating saw delivers lightweight, easy maneuverability for home improvement and do-it-yourself projects, especially in tight spaces. Its quick-release system enables fast blade changes for cutting wood, plastic, drywall, branches, and more. Ultra-shear V-groove finger grip bits create clean, consistent V-shaped grooves on straight or curved edges, with 3 sizes suited for boards up to more than 2 inches thick. The half-inch shank version adds 3 interchangeable bearings for multiple cutting heights. The ArtyMaster Carpenter Square combines a rafter and triangle ruler into a single, high-precision layout tool with 3-dimensional scales for accurate length, width, height, and 0 to 90-degree angle marking. Built from high-strength aluminum alloy with laser-engraved fade-resistant scales, it provides stable measurement performance. The T-square ruler is an aluminum sliding tool that combines a straight edge and protractor for precise measurements up to 18 inches and accurate angle marking. Made from premium aluminum alloy, it is lightweight, durable, and resistant to wear. The combination square features a durable aluminum zinc alloy build suited for woodworking and crafting applications. It provides clear metric and imperial measurement markings for accurate layout work and combines a lightweight carpenter square with a heavy-duty woodworking square for reliable straight edge and 90-degree verification. The miter bar is a 17-inch high-density polyethylene bar supplied with 20 flathead wood screws for secure mounting. It is an essential component for table saw sleds and for jigs and fixtures used on router tables, bandsaws, and table saws. The wood carving kit includes 8 premium sharpening knives, 4 detail carving knives, a tracing kit, and cut-resistant gloves for a complete carving setup. Each tool features an ergonomic walnut handle designed for comfort during extended use. The razor-sharp high-carbon steel blades offer strong edge retention and corrosion resistance. The wood router with fixed base features a 6.5-amp motor that delivers up to 1.25 horsepower and variable speeds from 10,000 to 32,000 revolutions per minute for versatile routing and trimming. The hand planer is a universal smoothing bench plane designed for precise woodworking. It features a durable steel alloy blade for clean cuts, an impact-resistant contoured wood handle for comfortable control, and a cast iron body for stability and strength. The Sepuy 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw delivers fast cutting with its 880-watt motor, capable of slicing a 6-inch log in seconds. An auto oil filling system keeps the chain lubricated for smoother, more efficient cuts. Its lightweight, compact build allows easy one-handed use, even in tight spaces. The push block improves safety during narrow rip cuts by providing strong, multi-directional grip and reducing kickback risk. It assembles quickly with only the handle and side pieces to install. A top sliding adjustment allows precise control down to 1/4 inch ripping. The cabinet hardware jig uses an automatic center punch to create stable starter holes, preventing jig movement and ensuring accurate drilling. The kit includes a metal punch and 3-pointed wood bits for clean, steady holes. It features both metric and imperial scales, a durable ABS marking board, and a stainless steel ruler. The Carpenter Pencil Set provides a comprehensive marking toolkit with multiple Carpenter pencils, mechanical pencils, colored and standard lead refills, deep hole marker pens, a carbide scribe, a center punch, levels, sharpeners, and a large capacity canvas pouch. The wood carving tool set includes 12 carefully selected chisels designed to offer premium performance without the premium price. Light, sharp, and responsive, they provide reliable control straight out of the box. Each blade is made from hardened vanadium chromium alloy steel and hand-polished over an extended process for long-lasting edge retention. The contour gauge is a 12-inch profile copying tool made from durable ABS plastic with dual inch and centimeter scales for accurate measurement. Its adjustable tension and locking mechanism let you set, trace, and hold shapes precisely. The adjustable Spokeshave is a versatile shaping tool for curved woodworking such as chair legs, seats, and templates. It features a 9-inch body with a 44mm carbon steel blade hardened to 58 to 60 HRC for long-lasting sharpness. The Metal and Wood File Rasp set is a 57-piece kit made from high-quality carbon steel, hardened to 63 to 66 HRC for strong, long-lasting cutting performance. It includes 18 files, 14 precision needle files, 2 rotary file heads, a scraper, and 36 sheets of assorted grits of sandpaper for shaping, refining, and polishing wood, metal, and other materials. The sanding disc uses a thickened hook and loop backing for strong grip and long life, supported by a durable paper base and aluminum oxide abrasive. Available in assorted or single grit packs, the 5-inch, 8-hole discs fit standard orbital sanders with proper dust extraction alignment. Thank you for watching the Chop Busters. We hope these new tools inspired your next project, and we look forward to bringing you more breakthrough gear in the next video.